Welcome back to ScaleSpeedworks. My name's Mike. I just wanted to post a little update on my progress for the 2022 Pro Street Group build. Again, I am doing the 1992 Ford F-150 short box. This comes with a standard V8 engine. Right there, 5.8 liter. Stock. With electronic fuel injection. Pretty exciting. Or maybe it's not. Doesn't matter. So let's see what we've done. I opened up the grill and I painted it black. Still have the headlights covered. I need to take the tape off of there. But I'm pretty excited about that. I really don't know how much it's going to show, but I guess we'll see. Finished up the interior. I still need to do a little detailing here on the door cards. Although, I'm kind of torn. It's going to be hard to see, really hard to see with the seats in there. And there's really not much detail, pretty soft. Not going to apply any flocking or anything on the carpet. You're not going to see it. Really, honestly, with the dashboard and the seat in there, you're not going to see anything. So got that done. I guess that is flat black. Here's the dashboard. Front is flat black. The top is semi-gloss. Still need to detail the gauges there. I do have that done. Steering wheel. All right, well, this is why we don't try things on camera, because they don't always fit. Okay, we're going to have to try that later, but that gives you kind of an idea of what it's going to look like. As soon as I, again, detail the gauges. So this thing came stock with these really comfy seats. Not what I'd call sport seats by any means, but that's what it looks like. Now you can see with the seats installed, there's really not that much detail on the door cards there, especially after, boy, I'm just a mess today. Look at that. Especially after you get that installed. Yeah, there might be a little bit to see. Well, I wasn't real satisfied with this seat. I mean, who would be? So we're going to keep that in there. So I was looking for some really cool bucket seats to put in there. And I was thinking to myself, man, where am I going to get bucket seats? I bet the F-150 Lightning comes with bucket seats. And you know what? Sure does. Right there. Got 1, 2 seats, semi-gloss black, and a nifty little center console. Also semi-gloss black. So these seats fit right in there. Console, boy, does console fit? I don't know. Console fits somehow, some way. Maybe the console goes in first. No, I'll figure it out. Doesn't matter. But now I have 2 bucket seats, and I'm really pretty excited about that. Wanted to give a quick little shout out to Don at Don's Garage. Don did a video a couple days back, and he was talking about the different Pro Street tires. I believe these are from the Super B kit. So, and he was comparing the tires, and I never realized this, but the tires are different sizes. So you can see that. Maybe you can't. Tires are different sizes. This one here came out of the 67 Chevelle Pro Street kit. and it's the smallest Pro Street tire I have found. So I was pretty excited about that because I think by using this tire, I'm going to have to cut into the bed just a little bit right there. Not only that, but I think, if I get this turned around the right way, usually a little bit more organized than this, so I apologize, you guys. I think by using this tire, I'm not going to have to cut the frame. See how that fits? It's going to be beautiful right in there. Real nice. So just a little bit of trimming, and I think that's going to fit without having to cut the frame. So that really saves me quite a bit of work. Pretty excited about that. Let me show you my mock-up here on the bed. Did get the ground effects installed here and here. Got the matching rear bumper. So pretty excited about that. That looks good. Matching in the front. I did put a primer coat on here. And then I realized that I wanted the ground effects. So I installed those after. They're glued right on. Got this thing on here. Does that look like that's the right angle? I don't know. Maybe it's supposed to come straight out. That's how it fit. That was the best fit I can get. Still don't know if I'm going to keep it. But it's there. Front bumper. Did open this up in here. Going to put some mesh behind there. And then nothing else done in there. While I was playing Mr. Mom this week, managed to get all this done, including this right here. Check out this bad boy. Whew. You might be wondering, what the heck is that? This, that stays glued on, this is a 4.0 liter V6. Yeah, baby. 4.0 V6. This thing is going to be smoking tires. No, probably not. I stole that engine, not as I had originally planned, out of the Explorer kit, but out of the Ford Ranger kit. And the reason was pretty simple. Although it's the same engine, the Explorer has a little bit different transmission. So this transmission is a manual, so I have to find myself a manual shifter to put into this F-150. I am going to be using that engine. I know, not really a Pro Street engine, but I don't care. Managed to get the front tires done. Almost done. The front wheels. I still have a little bit of detailing to do in there. Did paint the backs of the wheels, or the front of the wheels. The front of the wheel backs. Sure, I did manage to paint the front of the wheel backs silver to kind of give the illusion of a brake or something back there, disc brake maybe. These are really nice tires. These are directly out of this kit. Real nice tires. I like those. Good tread on them. These are the deep dish wheels out of the Super B and GTX Pro Street. Those are going to fit nicely in there. Again, a little bit of detail work. And then the wheel backs. These are, again, stock out of the kit. And they actually made up really, really well. So I will be using those. And I'm not going to paint this silver at all because you're not going to see it. So that is that. What else do I have done? That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. The interior almost finished. The engine pretty much finished. Chassis still needs a little bit of work. Body Body's looking pretty good. I'm ready to get that into paint pretty soon. And we're moving right along. Again, huge thank you to Don over at Don's Garage. If you guys haven't checked him out or subbed him, the guy is an encyclopedia of cars and of this hobby. So, and on top of that, a great model builder. So you need to go check out Don and his channel. Super knowledgeable guy. I really appreciate him posting the video comparing the different tire sizes. Without that, it would have been a lot more work, let's just say that. And speaking of a lot of work, real quick, I'm a little disappointed about the 1966 Chevy Nova Pro Street. What kind of Pro Street car comes only with slicks? Not too happy about that. At least the Chevelle came with some treaded tires. Also wanted to send out a huge thank you to Chuck over at That Car Guy. Chuck has been giving me shout outs left and right, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate that, Chuck. So if you guys haven't checked out Chuck, you need to do so. The guy is not only a great model builder, but he's a character as well. So a link to That Car Guy channel and Don's Garage will be in the description below. Thank you to everybody for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Thank you to all of my subscribers. Once I get a little bit closer to the 500 mark, I think I have a couple of things that I'm going to be giving away. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing so. I'd really appreciate it. Until then, I will see you guys on the next one.